Okay, once I've scanned photos and organized them and put them into different folders, things look something like this. I'm going to open up my drive that contains all my videos and see if I can enlarge this a little bit so you can see it. And my photos are here in pictures. And you can see probably that I have dates all the way from 1890, and I have a folder, so I have a few pictures in 1921, 1922, nothing, 23, there's one. Down in the 60s, I probably have some pictures. If I go back down into when I started scanning, which is roughly 1976, I have quite a few pictures. 1981, when my daughter was born, I have a lot of pictures. And these pictures have names that identify the event as I scan them. Later on, I have a lot more organization once I became a digital photo user. So, but 2001, you can see I have folders that are like here's 1995 Jeep, a 2011. Let me see if I can squeeze that a little bit more. It's a little hard to read this, I know. Maybe I can zoom in on it later. But some backyard landscaping that I did, and I have lots of photos, and then you can see each of the photos are here. So again, as I went further into the years, 2020, not too many things because of the COVID. 2019, but we did, here's a trip to the Eastern Sierras, Hawaii, my mother-in-law's 90th birthday, Monterey Bay, whale watching. That was 2019, 2018, maybe a few more things, Atlanta. But as you can see, I've attempted to organize these things into folders. Now, one of the things that I know I do wrong is I have so many files that are duplicates. So I use a program called Gemini, and it's right here. And this is Gemini, and here's how this works. I'm going to start over again, and I'm going to take a folder from 1983, which I've cleaned up. All the pictures are in here. Let me move this out of the way. All the pictures in 1983 have been cleaned up, but I'll drag them over to the Gemini folder, and I scan for duplicates. So this says it's all neat and clean. So I'm going to start over. I think 1984 I probably already did also scan for duplicates, and that's okay. 1985, I don't think I've scanned yet for duplicates, so I'm going to scan for duplicates, and it's going looking for duplicates. It's so easy to do that, to get pictures that I forgot to put into a folder, and then I later on put them into the folder or whatever. But so it hasn't scanned this folder, and it's looking for duplicates. Now, this program is pretty good, and I don't think it was too expensive. There's probably, and here's it said there were 206 megabytes, and there's nothing to do automatically, so I have to review. So what it shows is, like, here's some pictures from October of 1985, some more pictures from October 1985. They look like they're identical. And this is number 78. This is number 15. So it looks like when I was scanning these pictures, I screwed up, and there's nothing easy to do here. So here's a number 17 and a number 80. But I might be able to find some pattern here. So 15, 17, down here a little bit more. Let's see. I probably will have to do this the hard way, a file at a time, and it's going to take a while. But it might work. Looks like there's some semblance of order. So 93 and 98 are the same. Now what I might do is visually look at these, and that might be the easiest way. If I use this program, because there's not too many programs, what I could do is just click the first one of each one. It doesn't really matter since they're named the way they are. I could just go through and roll these on down. So open it up to see what they are. And then, so I hit the arrow cursor there and just pick the top one of each pair. And the top one of each pair. Top one of each pair. And that looks like the end of the list right here. And then I just remove them. Clean. And basically there's a duplicate monitor that comes with this program, and I'll say I got it. So now I'll start over again. That was 1985. There's nothing remaining. So I start over and I go to 1986. And again, I drag that folder into here, scan for duplicates. Let's see if I hope I can find one that's going to do it for me automatically. Most of these pictures are duplicates because in the process of scanning, I maybe lost a little bit of organization. Scanned something twice. This process, by the way, has taken probably a year to do the scanning that I did. I had a whole bunch of boxes, a lot of boxes full of pictures. This is the last box, but it's a different kind of photograph. These are not 35 millimeters. They're APS, a kind of program film. And what happened, I'm going to have to fix this, but each of these come with a cassette that's been exposed. So the film, the pictures that are on there, there's a summary that's here and here. So these are the pictures. What I'm going to have to do is break open this cassette, and I have to buy a special scanning holder. The pictures are wide, they're long, they're like this. So this is a special process that I'm going to go through, and that's going to take a while. Again, I ordered the special scan holder for this kind of film, and we'll go from there. So that's enough out of this section, and let's see what happens on the recording. Okay, we can stop my recording here.